Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I have for you a bathroom makeover. We purchased our home back in May of 2018, and in these past 2 years we have done a lot of improvements and I've been documenting it all. This is what the bathroom used to look like when we purchased our home. We had a vision of all we wanted to do with this house, and little by little we're making the vision come to life. This house looks nothing like we purchased it. We changed light fixtures, bathroom mirrors, sink unit, toilets. We actually did a little bit of plumbing work. I got rid of the towel racks. We just got rid of so many things that we invested so much. And I think I'm ready to start showing you guys the before and after of our change and improvements of our home. Now, after we purchased the home and we did some decorating pieces, this is what the bathroom used to look like. It wasn't too bad before the decoration process, but I just wanted to change the curtains and change the vibe that I had with the bathroom. Jumping right in, before I decorate, I like to clean and sanitize the entire bathroom. I don't use any fancy cleaners. All I use is basically bleach and Comet. I feel like bleach sprays disinfect very well, and since my daughters like to take baths, I want to make sure it's pretty clean. Once the bathroom is all clean, I move in and start the decorating process. Before we moved in, we painted the walls to a light gray color and we put shower curtains up. That was pretty nice, but now I felt like it was time to change the decorations. Now I was going for a spa vibe type of bathroom. Like I mentioned, today we're just changing the decor. I did made a couple of purchases from Target. I bought an all white shower curtain and the clear shower liner to go underneath. I also bought this plastic hooks for our washcloth and our loofahs. I bought this reed diffuser, and you guys, this smells so good. I purchased it in the scent driftwood and sea salt, and I also bought like the mini candle, but it smells so good. If you haven't smelled it, you should. One of the transformations that I didn't film was the wall makeover in front of the toilet. My husband wanted to spice it up, so he bought some backsplash that initially was going to be for our kitchen, but I changed my mind, and then we had all this backsplash that we didn't know what to do with it. So he decided to put it up on this small wall right in front of the toilet, and instead of putting it horizontally, he applied it vertically, which makes it so much better. It's such a statement piece, and everyone that sees it just always compliments how beautiful it looks. I absolutely love how it came out. Everything just looks so much cleaner. I love all the whites, and I also love it at nighttime. These planters are from Amazon, and the actual plants are from Hobby Lobby. And then I purchased this sea salt lamp. I think I got it from Target. No, I think I got it from Ross for $16.99. And I love it because, if you know, sea salt have a lot of health benefits. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. I'm actually doing the kitchen transformation and I'm filming it all for you guys, so that will be up pretty soon. I'm still waiting on my countertops, but once that is up, I will make a video and show you guys my new kitchen. But for right now, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.